Hi, welcome to the channel, and I want to apologize for not posting a video in such a long time, but today I came up with another unboxing of this Onyx portable oscillating ceramic heater. This I got from BJ's, and then the cost of this portable heater is about $29. So let's just unbox this and see how good or effective this heater is. It's not meant to heat a big room, but if you have a personal space like your office or like a small study room or a kid's room, then you can use this. If I look into the box, I see work and home office, bedroom and living room. So there is a fan switch, and there are two speeds. Then there is a heat for 750 watt, and then if you want more heat or like to set it on a high setting, that is 1500 watts, and it has about 5.9 inches of power cord. Let's just unbox it and see how does it look. So my final verdict is I used it, and it at least take 30 minutes to warm up your room. Like is also depend upon how much heat you have set on. But my final review is the Onyx portable oscillating ceramic heater is, if your room is small like your office or a kid's room, or like you have a small bedroom like a guest room, you can definitely use this to heat up your room. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in my next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and keep supporting the channel.